All right, in this short video, I'll show you how to start creating new dashboard in Cognos Analytics. So here we have our claims and weather data module. The data tracks the information on customers, their vehicle, the claim that they have submitted, and the total claim amount. So what is a dashboard? The purpose of dashboard is present our findings about data. It can be in an infographic or single page layout or in a tab layout. And you can use different formatting, such as changing colors, changing title, adding conditional colors, etc. Right? So here is my claims and weather data module. One way to create new dashboard is to open actions menu, right? And I'm going to select create dashboard from actions menu right here. Next, I need to select the type of dashboard that I want. So there are two types, tabbed and infographic. Infographic dashboard is a single page. Tab dashboard, as the name suggests, is where you have more than one tab, one or more tabs, right? So we're gonna use tab for this course. Here, you need to select the template for the first tab. What is a template? The first option here, this is called the freeform template. It's not split into sections for you. All right, however, keep in mind that if you choose this template, the dashboard size is not going to resize based on your screen size. All right. So probably you may want to start with one of the predefined templates. I like 2x2. The more you add, the more visualizations you add to the tab, sometimes depending on internet connection speed, it could take a little while to load. So let's stick with 2x2, but remember, you may always change the tab layout later, okay? So let's pick this template for right now. Next, we need to click on Create button here. And what do we see here? In the left panel here, we see the data source that was used to create our dashboard. So if you expand this here, you see the list of columns in the claims and weather data module. As you may recall, we added some data groups, right? We added some data groups and I showed you how to do that in another video. So, and any calculations that you defined in data module will be available in this dashboard for you, all right? So here, each icon indicate different column data type, right? And you can also check the column properties if you want, right? Etc. If you want to, you may add calculations to the dashboard, but keep in mind that calculation will be available only in the dashboard. If you want the calculation to be reusable, you probably want to go back to data module and define your calculation there, right? So what else do I have in here? Here, this is a canvas, right? This area is split into 4 sections because I chose 2x2 dashboard layout, dashboard template. Next thing, what else do I have here? This is a filters area. We're going to look at filters in another video, but this area can be expanded and collapsed, right? Then it's possible to modify the overall dashboard properties, including layout positioning, whether you want to show or hide grid, whether you want to, over here, take notice, you can change the tab labels if you want, right? Or you can change the tab color. Like for example, I want to show the title in red. And if my tab was selected, I want to show the selection in green and perhaps I want to use a fill color. And if I don't see here the colors that I'm interested in, I can click on select custom color. And just for the sake of example, suppose that I want to show my tab colors as blue. So see here, in this case, I have just one tab. So know that you can modify the properties of the tabs, right? The properties that are available depending on what you're looking at. Then you're going to be adding visualizations, and there are multiple ways to add visualizations. You can add visualizations from visualization library. You can also do something called pins, and I'm going to show you how to use pins in another video. All right. Then you can also add some widgets to your dashboard, including text, images, and videos, links to videos and shapes. I will show you how to do that in a different video. All right. So now each dashboard can have be in edit mode and view mode. At the moment, it's in the edit mode because you can edit it. You can add visualizations, you can play around with the property. To toggle between edit and view mode, you're gonna click here. See that right now I put it in the view mode because you do not see the green color here. If this button is green, it means you're in the edit mode. Now here, you can also undo, redo the last changes that you've made, right? Undo and redo. Here is how you save the dashboard. You need to click on this floppy disk. Then here, you need to name your dashboard. Let's just say car claims dashboard, right? Dashboard. And I'm going to select my content. Note that at the moment, save button is grayed out because I cannot save the work to team content. I need to select my content. Then I'm going to click save. All right, you're gonna see this pop-up here saying that the dashboard was saved successfully. One thing to keep in mind, so here is the dashboard name. If you see an asterisk next to the dashboard name, it means that you need to save the latest change. All right, you have not saved the latest change. Another thing, I need to point out that it's possible to use more than one data as a source for your dashboard. We will stick with one for this course, but just know that we can use more than one data source. All right, this was a short introduction to dashboards. Please watch additional videos. See you soon.